to the right right now.
Man, one's got an eye.
Copy that. Telephone on. Short second chat.
Looks like he's... gonna run, guys. He's on the shoulder.
Copy that. Looking like he's gonna run.
He is running. Wanted for homicide.
Hey, firm.
All the traffic. Through the light at Rudgate and continuing westbound 16 speeds are now 55 miles an hour. We're through the railroad tracks.
Westbound, that's with the railroad tracks.
Found at Charter Oaks. I got heavy traffic speeds are about 80.
Westbound of Charter Oaks, heavy traffic speeds at 80.
Continuing left lane. Found. Yup, he's in the oncoming lanes, guys. Oncoming lanes.
Sorry, the oncoming lane.
Okay. Speeds are back up to 80 miles an hour. Alright guys, we got open roadway this way. It's open roadway. Let's take him out.
Copy that. Open roadway attempting to take out.
G5's right up there with him. We're gonna take him out.
Alright, go ahead.
Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Do not move! Do not move! Do not move!
Start an ambulance.
We're gonna get him 300.
All right, I'm gonna need the ambulance. Start the ambulance.
Knock that down away. You just see one way.
Keep your hands up, motherfucker! You better keep your fucking hands up! You fucking hear me? Keep your fucking hands up! Don't you fucking move! Don't you fucking move! You better keep your fucking hands up! You understand me?
Stop this one. I don't got no weapons, I promise you. Climb out on the seat and don't reach friendly. That's how I can fight you.
I'm not. All right. Keep your hands up and keep coming over that seat now. Come over that seat now.
Okay, well, what y'all doing? All right, I don't got no weapons.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Watch it. Fuck.
Command 1, dispatch. Right, the full custody. Nobody is injured. Copy that. 2 in custody, no injury.
MC5's injured. I need that ambulance.
We're gonna take him out.
Alright, go ahead.